In this video, we're going to take a look at our UH360. This is one of the newest options in our Switch lineup. The ergonomic design and feel makes it easy to hold, comfortable to drive with, extremely intuitive. It's already becoming one of our most popular options. The joystick and button placement make all the functions accessible, easy to find, and you don't have to take your eyes off the road to find the function that you're looking for while you're driving. We have 4 different button configurations to choose from. For something as simple as 2 buttons for just 2 functions, to 2 joysticks for up to 10 functions. This is our standard configuration with a 5-way joystick and a push button. We can also flip this for right-hand use. The buttons and the joystick on the UH360 are in a position that during driving, your thumb has easy access to them. This is one of the differences with the UH360 compared to our other secondaries, which typically have fingertip control or activation. Another feature is the balance of the UH360 means that during driving, it will always return to its neutral position regardless of the position of the steering wheel. So this device is set up with our standard 6 functions: blinkers horn, wipe wash, and dimmer. It mounts into our clamshell base design, spinner knob base. The joystick is an up, down, left, right, and then a push, and then the push button there is the additional function. Like I said, this one has our standard 6, but this device can accommodate up to 10 functions if necessary. You know, there are different options to make that work as well. You can see now, as this is mounted in the vehicle, how comfortable this is, how easy this is to hold, and probably more importantly, how accessible these buttons are for your thumb. Your thumb really sits right on the buttons, so when you need them, they are right there. Thank you for watching the video today on our Switch product. There are a variety of different options, so please feel free to watch all the videos in this series. You can also reach out to us here at Sure Grip or one of our local dealers for more information.